Okay, we have the last question for you, my friend Gilberto Lopez.
Okay.
Metaverse for Kids, KADS, kids.
That's a very funny question, Charlie.
Yeah, because we have, he's not a kid, but can Metaverse be for kids? You know,
uh,
childs?
I don't. Well, mostly it's very good for education. The metaverse has I think is going to be great for education. For the rest of the applications is where and most of the people I know they can say that it's not really for kids. Why is not really for kids? Because it's a free world like ours, you know. So if there are no rules, or if the rulers or the rules arrive late, it could be too late. So we need certain to take care of certain aspects of being on the metaverse. The first thing in the metaverse is the identity, you know, and actually all the problems that you can see for related to the social media, social medias for
Okay,
Meta, and
yes.
uh, is gonna be worse with the metaverse. So loneliness and many aspects of that is not going to be, at least today, we can't see a brighter future in that area. So that means that if the kids want to go to the metaverse, you have to take care of them. It's like going outside in the street. Would you let your little child to go to the movies by himself? Probably you don't. You have to
No.
be with him. So I think the metaverse for kids is going to be great in education. It's going to make a very good advance in that area for cultural, for new experiments, and for new stuff. But for the rest, I don't think it's going to work. You know.
No, no, this is a business platform. This is to interchange sales and of course, uh, topics about adults like us. But 19 years old is enough to be there because maybe in United States, no, because they are 21, right? Maybe, I don't know. Thank you. That's a good question. And maybe one day we can teach kids about this, and they are faster than us, and they will teach us
Fast
about
learners,
all the.
yeah. Probably,
Yeah, they are fast.
probably the classes should be for the parents, you know.
Yeah, I was going to say that. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe that's real. It's going to happen. Maybe it's happening already.